Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by prepping both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. First, make sure your Kratos AirPods have at least 30% battery. Low power causes drops. Then, on your phone or computer, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth. This makes the device discoverable. Once done, place both buds into the charging case and open the lid. You need the case open for pairing mode. If there's a setup button on the case, get ready to press it when prompted. This forces the AirPods into discoverable mode. Now you'll put the AirPods into active pairing so your device can find them. Press and hold the case button for about 3 to 5 seconds. This wakes the Bluetooth chip and initiates pairing. You'll see a white or blinking LED. That's the universal signal the case is discoverable. Next, on your device, scan the Bluetooth list and tap Kratos AirPods. If you don't see them, move closer. Close other Bluetooth apps and repeat the button press. Interference often blocks discovery, so eliminate competing signals. Finish by verifying the connection and adjusting sound. You should hear a connection chime or see connected beside Kratos AirPods in Bluetooth settings. That confirms pairing. Play audio to test left and right channels and set volume or mono/stereo preferences so sound is balanced. If audio fails, reset the buds by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, reboot your device, then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.